The world is cruel. If there is anything that we are trying to deliver, giving this message to you using the way we did, it is to prepare you for what I call a cruel world. Nothing like saying, I deserve to be here. Cruel is the word. No fair competition. Where you are selling chicken, even Yuga Chicken is selling in the same place. Then you wonder, surely can't you give a certain space for a beginner? There is no space for a beginner. Everybody is right in there doing their thing. And the customer is simply saying, I'm looking for value for money. Not my relative, not my uncle. I'm looking for value for money. Not my uncle's clinic. Zero. But I want you to know that as you get extremely exposed, the ultimate weapon that's going to give you mileage is that person called you. The you are the ultimate resource in this turbulent game. The day you mess up with yourself, you've messed up with the most important resource. Guard your knowledge. But don't just guard it because it doesn't remain the same. Keep building it, keep sharpening it, keep expanding it, keep buttressing it. Because it is delicately tough. I don't know whether I told you that 10 years from now, this Uganda we think we now own, you will struggle to put a foot in the marketplace. Today nobody can start a business in Uganda by just buying 10 bags of maize from Chigumba. Put it in the store for some 6 months. The price from 500, it is 1,500. You make money. That period is going to disappear. Because somebody somewhere is going to make it easier to buy up all that maize, and that price of 500 will not be there anymore. Right now, opportunities are here for the black fellow. But if the black fellow does not tap into the thing and build the muscle, the space is going. The space is going. And what will be happening is for you to transform yourselves from being landlords to being Bapakasi. The president put it in writing. He said, my people in Rwachitura, if they cannot begin to appreciate the benefit of infrastructure, they will be Bapakasi, not in Dubai. Where? In Rwachitura. Information seeking. If there be something where Africans are careless, that is an asset. But information without systematic planning and monitoring is incomplete. Systematic planning and monitoring. Monitoring simply means that I did something yesterday, have I checked on it again? Have I checked on it again? Have I checked on it again? Friends, you will leave this place, you are going to sweat out, you are going to progress, you will go back to these notes, they will still make sense. It's like a Bible, it's like a Quran.
I attended Enterprise Uganda, the program called Entrepreneurship. Yeah. I would advise everyone who would want to start business to start by acquiring the right skills, because sometimes when we think of business, we think that the most important thing is money. Actually, the most important thing is not money. The most important thing is the skill and knowledge. Like I always tell people, I didn't really have a lot of money when I started my pharmacy. When I attended the program, they told us to start with what you have. And the most important thing was to find out which problem you can solve. And me being a pharmacist, first of all, I had taken like almost 3 months and I'm not paid. But this program opened my mind that being a pharmacist was capital. So I ended up starting with the little I had. Myself was capital because I could be the pharmacist, I could be the dispenser and a cleaner. And also with the knowledge I acquired, that gave me the right to start. Because they taught us that the only way to start was to start. there is no way you can practice business unless you start.
I started this program on the 13th, and what seemed like a simple journey of classes turned out to be a very practical session that I did not expect to be as life-changing as it is right now. In the 5 days that we have had, 6 days that we have had, we've realized that everything that the trainers were teaching us in the room have been very, very practical exercises, many of which that we actually did not know were serious issues that were making us lose business, turned out to be areas of perfection, and now we are all moving out as entrepreneurs that are going to change our economy. To the entrepreneurs outside there, many a times we feel we're making the money for our organizations, and we're making the money and we're achieving the targets that we have set. But from the training that I have actually had in these 6 days, I have noticed that there are many errors that we make when we try to run the businesses ourselves without involving the experts that should be directing our businesses to the right direction.